brood kopen met een geld. Cadeau.
Persona
Bonita. Cada santo, danke.
apesar de ser minha
Mas uno não na acaba de intensificar corona. Quem?
Ben, tengo dito. Ben, ang telephone!
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me.
What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another vlog. Today is a Saturday. I woke up with the most horrible pain in my stomach and in my lower belly because I'm on my periods. So I didn't have like the best morning ever. It could be better, you know, but I tried to make the best out of it. Benni made me some breakfast, and after breakfast I decided to make us smoothies, and I like dropped a whole lot of spinach in there to help me with my iron, because you know that's very good when you are on your period. So yeah, that's that. And then after that I finished tomorrow's vlog, because tomorrow is Sunday and I try to upload on Sundays. So yeah, tomorrow's video is already ready, scheduled, thumbnail is done, everything is already done. And yeah, today is also the first day of the third lockdown here in Belgium. Is it the third or the fourth? I don't know. Anyways, there's another lockdown here in Belgium and it started today. It means that I think that all the stores are going to be closed except for like the necessities like supermarkets, pharmacies, things like that will still be open, and other things are just online or closed. But yeah, today is just basically a day that I'm gonna just take it slow. I'm not gonna do too much. Benni already started making dinner and it's now 5 o'clock. But I think I want like a little snack because I didn't have lunch yet. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. And I also took out my braids. It has been fun, but I just wanted access to my scalp. And Benni helped me take them out, which is really nice of him. So yeah, it's a very long intro, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this vlog. It might be a multiple day vlog. It's gonna be a multiple day vlog because today will not be enough to fill up a whole vlog, you know. Tomorrow also Novi is coming over, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, that's that actually. I got tea. It's really hot, and cookies. I didn't want to really disturb Benni in the kitchen because he was really in it making dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna chill and watch some Netflix and just relax because I really need it. I really need it today. So yeah, let's chill. My boyfriend is literally the sweetest. He just brought me food in bed. Yeah, I've been Netflixing, and I think I'm gonna just continue to do that and have my food. But that was so nice. Like, since I'm not feeling that great today, he just said like, yep, here, you can have your dinner in bed. So nice. So yeah, dinner and Netflix it is. Wie is dat? Wie is dat? Wie is dat? Is dat de Novi? Is dat de Novi?
eet zo goed. Je bent een flinke meid, hè? Waarom kijk je zo boos? Zo boos kijk je, Novi.
Amiga, I don't know if I already spoke to you today. I don't think I did. I spent the whole day babysitting Nova. It has been quite a while since I've seen her last. So she is so big now. She walks and she has quite a little personality, you know. So yeah, she's a sassy little one, but she was very, very sweet. So I literally spent the whole day with her. We went to the playground and spend a little time on the swing. But yeah, she was having the best time and she didn't even want to leave. And now I am editing, so having Novi here today forced me to relax a little bit, but I was able to have the day off, so I'm not really complaining. But I figured I would do like a little mask because it's Sunday and I have like quite a few breakouts and I don't know, impurities and stuff going on my face. Yeah, back to editing. I'm gonna let this sit on my face while I edit. I also have a quick little unboxing to do because I received a package from a friend that has a business and I thought I would give her a little shout out here on my channel. It is a package from Meraki Handmade, you can see, and my friend Subi has her own business. I used to work with her at Forever 21. And now she just has her own business. So I'm super, super proud of her. I'm proud of any woman that has her own little hustle going on, you know? This is the package. Really pretty. Nice little sticker detail. And then this is what she has sent me. It is so, so pretty. It is like, of course, a sculpture of a woman. With like gold flakes in it, and it's so, so beautiful. I love these type of sculptures anyways. I have two already, So this is really, really beautiful and nice to add to my collection. So yeah, if you want to support my friend, then I'll link her Instagram right here. Make sure to follow her. Also, I'll link her Instagram also in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Subi, for sending this to me. It's really, really beautiful. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. That's all I can say. This is beautiful. This is art, man. What the hell? Love it. Love it, love it. But yeah, now back to work. I'm gonna eat my fruit salad, which is a very thick one. And drink my matcha while I work. Let's go. Yeah, so it's now my lunch break and I'm about to do a little bit of makeup and kind of get ready for the day. Because I want to take a few pictures after work and therefore I need to have my makeup done. So that's what I'm doing right now. Nothing crazy, just something really simple and quick, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna roll a little time lapse for you to see, and I think when I'm done I'm gonna do my hair because I won't be able to do both, and I also want to eat something still before I need to start back with work. Makeup is done. I'm gonna do my hair later, and I baked some fries in the air fryer. And on this little plate I got some ketchup, mayo, and truffle mayo. Girl, it's good. And on my fries I like a little bit of Maggi sauce. It's something my grandma used to do when I was little, and I just love it, so I still eat it like that. But my Antillean people know. Let me know in the comments down below if you sometimes eat your fries with Maggi sauce or if you used to do that back in the days, because Maggi sauce, sis, come true. That's lit, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my lunch, my fries, and work. I still have an hour and a half to go, so that's not too bad. Let's do this. Alright, amiga, I finished working. It's now 4:30 and I'm quickly gonna do my hair so I can take my pictures. I think I want to do like 2 pigtails, but I want to do them with braiding hair. Let me see.
I got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses.
Okay, amiga, your girl finished getting ready. I literally just put on a top and some jeans, and I'm now gonna take my pictures. I don't have much battery left, so hopefully I can film it for you, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly take my pictures for Instagram.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work.
Alright, amiga, change of outfit. I'm wearing a scarf from Curacao. This thing is not something that I would wear out because I'm still working on wearing whatever I want out, but it is a step in the right direction. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really cool. So maybe challenging myself to actually wear this out this summer because this is hella cute, man. I love it. But yeah, let me take a few more pictures.
Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.
Alright, amiga, it's been a while since I vlogged, but I had my dinner and I was basically chilling with Benny because he is home now. I already took down my hair as soon as I got home from going outside. I just went to the bakery and to the pharmacy. Didn't get any flowers because I didn't go to the supermarket. I thought I would save that maybe for tomorrow or Wednesday, then I have something to leave the house for. But now I'm just gonna take off my makeup. And I got a new product from the pharmacy that I wanted to try tonight. So I figured I would share that with you. I'm obsessed with skincare, but I've been breaking out a lot lately. And I figured like I'm gonna go back to my basic pharmacy stuff just to clear up my skin because it has been getting crazy lately. And now I'm gonna wet my reusable makeup wipe with warm water to wipe this off my face. I'm just gonna wipe this off my face. The next up is the CeraVe face wash. I'm gonna just take 2 pumps of that, like, or 1.5 pump, and then just massage it onto my face. I like to do double cleansing. Oh, these zits on my face, they hurt so bad. Like, I don't know what is going on. Just gonna spritz this all over my face. And both lactic acid and also hyaluronic acid are being absorbed better by the skin when the skin is wet. So basically that is why I spray the rose water first. But just like press that into my skin. Then the face cream, this is the one from CeraVe. I bought this today and I'm gonna try it for the first time ever. So I'm really curious to see if this is good or not. But for the upcoming time, I'm gonna keep my, not that I wasn't before, but I'm gonna try to keep my skincare very, very simple because all these breakouts, I'm not about it, man. I want all of that off my face. I'm just gonna, it's also a tube, so it's really easy to use. I'm gonna use like that much. And then just apply it to my face. I like that, and I need something simple like this. So I'll keep you posted on how it goes. But I also have been having like these little breakouts on my chest. Like, what is going on? I don't know. I'm just gonna mind my water intake the next days and try to be consistent, which I already was, but just try to keep my products even more simple now because I want these breakouts to go away. Tomorrow I'll also wash my makeup sponges and brushes because that is also very good if you want like to stop breakouts. Okay, that is it for my little skincare. I'm gonna put it back on my sweater, and I think I'm gonna edit a little bit before I close off the night. So yeah. What is up, amiga? Today is Wednesday. I just finished getting ready for the day, and yeah, I'm now about to head to the supermarket because I want to get a few things, flowers especially, but I just want to go outside because it is just a beautiful day today. Later on today also we will have groceries that will be delivered, so I don't need to get too much, but it's basically just for me to do a walk, get some flowers, and just get some fresh air, just be outside a little bit. So that's what I'm about to do. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this white creamy dress with a oatmeal colored blazer, necklace from Concept Statement. Been really loving it lately, and my hair is in a ponytail because it actually needs to get washed. But yeah, let's go ahead, let's go outside. I'm gonna bring you with me, and I want to come back before golden hour because I want to shoot a few pictures for Instagram as well. So lots to do. Let's get going.
4 in the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night.
We're back at Chaida and Jermain's house, and Yohi, of course, because that's their son. And we're here to have an Easter brunch. They're gonna say hi?
That's why you done. Hello.
Hello.
En wat moet je zeggen? Paasei.
Vrolijk paasei. Okay. Vrolijk paasei. Yeah, so we're at their house and we're gonna have a little brunch again. And they did such an amazing job again. She said she was gonna keep it simple, but she didn't. She didn't. She extra. Huh? Extra. Oh, bijna. Nog een keer. No pressure. Amiga, we are back home. We had such a great time at Chaida and Jermain. We also played a little bit outside with Novi, or at least Benni and Jermain did. Chaida and I were just like sitting and talking a little bit. And now I'm about to take a shower because first of all I'm cold, but also tomorrow is the second day of Easter and we're going to my mother. And I need to wash my hair because I want my hair to look a little bit correct. I don't know, I postponed it so much that today it actually needs to get washed. So I'm quickly gonna do that and like pamper myself a little bit under the shower and all of that. And then, yeah, basically like chill for the rest of the night. But yeah, now I'm gonna shower and I'll see you after. Done applying the product in my hair. The curls are nice and defined. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for a little bit, but first I'm gonna put on some PJs. Good morning, amiga. Say good morning to the amigas.
Good morning, amigas.
Good morning. We are at the bus stop. It's really, really early. It's now how much? 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, is it? Yeah, it's 8 o'clock and I still didn't change my clock to summertime, so I still need to do that. We are on our way to my mom's. It's the second day of Easter today, and yeah, we're gonna travel to my mom's, to my hometown, and I'm gonna show Benni around, show him where I grew up, show him my school, my old house, everything. I'm gonna try to do as much as possible. So yeah, to Hellevoetsluis we go.
Yes.
Yes.
Groeten, Lisho Maritas.
Benni, Benny, hoe is het?
Geen brood kopen met de geld. Cadeau.
Jennifer, waarom moet je alles filmen?
Oh, ding.
Ah,
Maar ik vind heel bekijken.
ja, film jouw cadeau.
Oh, ding.
Amiga, we're now at my mom's house.
Film
En hij
Cucina
kan-
niet, hè?
Nee, nog veel.
Ik zal de cucina niet filmen.
Ja, doe ik gewoon.
Oh, thank you.
Ja,
Macaco.
echt, hè? Echt een makkelijk.
Macaco.
Laat me, ja?
Jennifer, ga koken.
Ik ga koken wanneer we thuis zijn weer.
Gobori.
Megobori later.
Jenny. Maar dit is bang om naar Curaçao te gaan.
Waarom?
Look at this. Corona keer.
This is for my birthday because
Klaar met ons.
I saw my mom in December for the last time, so she saved me my birthday present.
Comprate na corso.
Tena corso. Esta doce está bom.
Na minha lera, mama. Lekker.
This is so good. Alright, thank you, Mama. And I also got a package from Kokolishi. She shipped it to here because that's easier. So let me open it up. It is the Florine scarf. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like all the currencies from Curaçao. So cool.
Het is mooi.
Right? Thank you, Benny. Mama, gusta zo, mama? See? Nechi.
Netje.
That's the Antillean. Alle Antilliaanse.
Ang.
Ang. Florine.
Is ang.
Florine.
Is ang.
Ang Florine.
Is ang. We hadden ook Florine, hè?
Net,
Ja?
quando vai pra maré, Jenny.
Misa ainda. Eu vi bonita, tá?
Pero vamos chamar uma maneira para econar.
Oh, mira na, no?
Sim.
Bonita, joh. 50 gulden. Essa aqui echt niet wat ik hier heb.
50 gulden,
apart.
10 gulden dan, hè?
10 gulden, 100 gulden. 25 zijn het gewoon.
Tegenwoordig ben je heel veel jonge meiden hebben eigen business.
Ja.
Netje nog?
Is goed toch? Shamaritas, wanneer Jennifer hier is, mag jij niets doen. Je moet rustig zitten.
Oké, daarom ik doe ook rustig.
Shamaritas,
Ik ga zo
eigenlijk
veel.
moet je daar zo...
Ik ga zo doen. Zo. Nee, in dat stoel. Ik ga zo doen. Ik ga zo voor jou scheppen bijna, joh.
Dank. Nee, laat het. Jennifer, ga ze voor me pakken.
Nee, maar Jennifer, weet je niet.
Laat me met rust, man.
Rosa kan niet scheppen.
Jennifer kan niet scheppen.
Mijn god.
Ik kan wel soep opscheppen. Ik weet niet
Je
waar ze
kan
het...
niet.
Ik kan wel, maar ik weet niet waar ze het over heeft.
Dat doe je altijd alsof je kan koken en allerlei gekke dingen.
Ik kan soep opscheppen. Mijn moeder praat gekke dingen.
Jij nog scheppen bijna, joh.
Oké.
Zij wil voor jou opscheppen. Oyster soup. How is the oyster soup?
Very good.
Very good?
Oké, Biruma. Bom, para cuidar.
Yes.
Dodo.
She's here, sis.
I'm here.
Amigas, she's here.
The baddest bitch you ever do.
Alright, amiga, my sister, she counts for two, but she's one person. My sister is here. We're waiting for Benny to get up so that we can leave because the weather has been on and off. Sunny and then it was hailing. I hope that's how you say it, but like, I don't know, little pieces of ice falling out of the sky. So that was happening. It was snowing at some point. So there he is!
Hallo.
Ik lig daar alleen dit hoor. Hoor ik Shamaritas even, hoor ik. Zo die moet van het geweest van het telefoon.
Oh, echt hè?
Redo.
Ready to go?
Je moeder moet een shade room starten voor Curaçao.
It would happen. It would do good though. Ik denk wel dat er vraag naar is.
Ja. Vooral sa to in boletim na.
No. Wat hebben we gezegd, man?
Gemeente. Consulaat van Curaçao.
Oh joh, je bent net als bij IJssel.
Consulaat van Curaçao.
Nee, eigenlijk om Klaar, chic.
Jamaritas, ik slaap toch? In mijn droom heb ik dat geluid uit de telefoon voor.
Serieus? Serieus, hè?
Ready to go, Benny?
Wacht even, ik ben het
Oké.
Is dat één klaar?
Dat ding is klaar.
Is dat goed?
Het is goed.
Hoe eet je aan het doen?
Shamara heeft het geproefd.
So Benny is also up and we are ready to go.
Yes, we are! Let me stop being selfish.
It's not even my school.
She owned that shit.
Yeah, it was my school, okay? Not yours. You came later. No, I'm kidding. We're now on our way to our primary school. Nose and I both went there. So we're gonna show Benny that now. So this is the route that we used to do when we would walk to school. This is so funny to be here. This is it, Benny. This is our school. Nee, dat niet. Oh my god, this is my old school. The Houthoeven. This used to be like with sand and stuff.
Yeah.
Een zandbak, maar hoe zeg je dat in het Engels?
Sandbank.
A sandbank? A sandbank?
Zou kunnen. Sandbank wel.
A sandbank maybe, I don't know. There used to be sand in this thing. And my mom would always whoop my ass when I come home with a lot of sand in my hair because I would give her a lot of work when she needed to wash my hair and all of that. Poor Benny, are you having fun, boy? Oh, okay. Yeah. So my mom would whoop my ass. And here is also where I was playing. And Biruta would go to that school. Where I saw her and I said like, Biruta puta!
Who's Biruta, Jennifer?
Huh?
Who's Biruta?
Who is Biruta?
You're telling me Biruta?
Oh.
Who it is?
I'm sorry. Biruta was the daughter of a friend of my mom's. And we were around the same age. But she would go to that school and I would go to this school.
Ah, okay.
And then sometimes after school I would stay with them because my mom was also in school. Little playgrounds.
And this has been here for so long.
Yeah.
I remember when I was little, this used to look so big, but right now.
Benny, this is where it started for you.
No. No stripper, okay? Asshole.
No.
Ooh. That is where the children's disco used to be. And if I was nice at home, I could go. And most of the time that was not the case. Or I was nice and my mom decided that I couldn't go anyways. Just because she could, you know? Just because. But now what is it now? Veda van den Berg. Alright. But that is it. There used to be a bridge here. But these hooligans took it away.
Yeah.
Cute! You were born there.
I was born in the hospital.
Yeah, but you came there after you were born.
So I was born in the hospital.
Yeah, but that's like your childhood home.
Bruh.
That's your first home that you ever lived in.
If I was born in the hospital, this is where I was raised.
Yeah, okay, well then that's what I mean. I'm sorry. Let me not intervene in your vlog.
Echt hoor.
Nee, maak maar om.
Because you be talking bullshit, you. But we're now going to the house where I was raised. And I was like, when I was like little, I used to see like ghosts and stuff.
Yeah.
Maar misschien moet ik dit niet vertellen.
Yeah, no, why not?
Okay. Well, I used to see like ghosts.
And
Where
stuff.
you going?
Away from the voodoo. No, but tell them.
Okay, so I used to see like ghosts when I was little. And I was like, that man, he's really looking for trouble. He's really looking for trouble. So I was telling my people. And when they did some research, they found out it was a graveyard here. And
Yeah.
they found out it was a graveyard. So yeah, that's the reason that's the reason I was seeing ghosts.
Yeah.
Listen, people are gonna think I'm bananas. Maar goed.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin.
32 is our number.
And I used to ran down the street with
This
one
is it,
diaper
I think.
on.
Yeah, this is our house, old house.
Which one?
This one. 32. This is our old house.
This is our memory.
Oh my god! Our old house. That was our old house. So fun.
Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
We're now at the beach and it's gonna hill. Ja. Kijk, daar zwemde ik altijd.
Ja,
bij dat stuk. Ja.
Waar jij niet?
Daar in dat stukje inhammetje. Maar ik wist toen niet dat er blauw water bestond.
Wat voor water?
Helder water.
Oh.
Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Esta producción de programa diariamente,
Cada
todo
sábado, no esquema
en cada momento, de cada horario. Para lo siguiente, persona começou a ayuda espiritual. Então, por acudir livremente mudança para qualquer momento que tem algo malo na boca, pode agora ajudar sanamente, espiritualmente, por a pessoa conservar. Amém. Apesar disso aí, minha visita na minha casa e agora liberar.
It's dinner time!
Não que pende. Quanta turba vou sempre com que pendeu.
Sem ora a mim tá mira Beatriz na televisão, não? Eu amo mais quando coisa de autoridade não quer me ser.
Hoje vou ter medo.
Qual é a informação que o papi joga? Mas papi ele não.
Porque me odeia para se querer.
Não, pero o papi, pero
depois ele no Facebook.
Não. É quando ele não tá com o papi azul, cultura ele tampouco. É quando ele informação.
Não pode comigo entender. A ver se.
É quando ele informação. Cuia, se botar, uau, tamir é quando.
Lekker hè? Dus je nou? Come.
Jay, nós vamos com bikes daqui com a banda.
Lekker hè? Douche. What that mouth do?
Uma notícia no douche. Een noticia no agradabel.
Niet goed.
Niet goed.
Laat me kijken. Van wie?
Etividao del hospital mascu. Uno lulnana kaba de intensive care corona. Quem?
Bente, wat dit op Ben? Hè, telefoon!
What's up, amigas? Hello, amiga. It is a new day. Yesterday we ended up chilling at home with my mom and my sister. My sister later on went home, and we decided to go for a little walk today. I'm gonna try to show Benny the vesting. The weather circumstances are a little crazy, but I thought it was such a waste to just be here and do nothing. So we're gonna try and see it today and just, you know, figure out what we can do today and make the best out of it. But how are you liking my hometown so far?
Nice.
Yeah?
Very interesting.
Yeah?
It's not something that I thought about where you would have the corona.
Why not? Does it say a lot about me and my behavior?
Yes.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Okay. He said it looks a lot like Volendam over here. Yesterday.
Not here.
Well, my old neighborhood, yeah, where I grew up for the most part of my life. Yes. But yeah, we're gonna show you around. Let's go. This is the shopping center. There's not a lot of shopping is done at the moment. But you can if you make an appointment though. hair tie? I do not have hair tie. This bridge used to be so amazing in my head, and it's just a little bridge, but it's so cool. Back at the Xoxo, which is the shopping center. How did you like it, Benni? Was it fun? Okay.